Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm extremely sorry that I haven't made any videos for a couple of days now. I was extremely busy with this bike and my college stuff. So that's the reason why I wasn't able to make any videos. And you might have observed that my eyes have got red. Believe me, I am not drunk. Just now I had been to the swimming and I'm having pain in my every single muscle, but still I'm here and I'm going to assemble this bike today. I can't wait, man. I can't wait to see this bike ready to roll. So let's do this. So here are all the parts, different parts of the bike that I have disassembled completely, and I had given this for paint. So this isn't normal spray paint. As you can see there, I have purposely powder coated all of these components because it's way more better. Powder coating is way more better than the usual spray paint. It gets a really nice finish like this. You can see that the finish is really good and it gets lot less scratches than the regular spray paint. So that's the reason why I went with the powder coating. And this bike is going to be completely matte black and it's gonna look sick, man. So here's the front wheel and these all the battery compartments. Here's the front mud guard of the bike. And this is the rear mud flap, tiny little mud flap right there. And here's the swing arm, completely custom built by me. That too, that's the tank of the bike. So let me take this here for you. That's heavy, that's freaking heavy. Can you see the finish on that thing? Before paint, how it used to look and now how it is looking. Just look at that. Whoa, man, it looks really cool now. Okay, so other than that, there's the completely 100% straight handle. That looks really sick. Here's the rear disc and there's the front disc. Then there's the steering column and the brake calipers, and here's the chassis. So let's move all these parts and start to assemble. So there's the chassis of the bike and the swing arm. This thing is looking way too much cooler than what I had thought it to be. Okay, so let's start to assemble this bike. But where should we start from, right? That's a nice question. I wanted to start from the front, but we don't have the bearings as of now, so I'm going to put a brand new bearings right there. So we don't have, so I plan to install the swing arm first because we have all the parts of the swing arms with us. So before that, I tell you that I have ordered new tires for this thing. Yeah, so so this is the rear tire. It is going to be this much thick. Would you believe? No, I'm kidding. So both the tires are inside this. So you think that it is going to be pretty small, right? No. Wait for a second. Let me show you what type of tires are this. So let's unbox the tires now. Here's my cutter. Wow, man, this thing is sick. Whoa, man, this thing looks way cool than what it looks in picture. Man, this thing is really good. Okay, for those who don't know what tires are this, so these are Ralco and the model is Gripper. Here you can see Ralco, this is known as the Ralco Gripper, and the size is 190/17. Or I don't know if you can see, it's 190/17. So this profile is not pretty huge like any other bike, but we didn't had any option because if you know the wheel size of our bike is small, so we can't put bigger tires than 100 mm. So this is the maximum size that we can put on this bike, but believe me, this is going to look dope. So the both are same tires I'm going to put on the rear and the front of this bike. And as always, if you are interested in these tires and willing to buy, the link is there in the description. Just go and check it out. So let's start assembling.
You taste like candy, eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart increase.
You don't know what goes on behind these eyes. You don't know the loneliness hidden inside. You don't know I wanna eat you up alive. Come and get to know me, my type of wild. I'm the kind that spins you and hangs you dry. Well, I'm already on to another side. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have room for more, 'cause I've got that appetite. Baby, I never feel whole. You might get me through the night, but it will never be enough. It will never be enough. 'Cause I'm a black gold for your love. Like you, na na na, to my center of gravity. 'Cause it's true, na na na, everything they say about me. I'll love you like a supernova, burned into you like a shooting star. Always craving for you to come to me. Though this way of life, no, it ain't healthy, but ain't no other way, it's just what I need. I want all your soul, I want your body. I'm the type that licks her play clean. Don't wanna let out, wanna you can eat.